Hi, all right, year 9. We're looking at finding the volume of prisms today. Now the first thing to do when you're trying to find the volume of a prism is to remember the formula. And the volume is given by the area of the cross section times by the height. So we can see that we need to work out the grey shaded area, which is the cross section of this. A good way to start is by drawing a sketch of that so that you can work on it. So there's my sketch of the shape, the cross section that we're looking at. I'm going to now split it here and here so that I create 3 rectangles. Makes it easier to work out. If I label them A, B and C, that makes it easier again. So I'm going to start by thinking about the area of A. Now that's the base times the height, it's the length times the width. And we can see from the information that it's 3 squares along. I've picked that out from there. And it's 7 squares up. That's the 7. 3 times 7, 21 meters squared in this case. Okay, C is easy to do as well. For C, we've got the same shape. It's 3 times 7. And 3 times 7 is still 21. Right, that leaves us with B to calculate. That's this bit in the middle here. Okay, so we've just got to find that little space. So B, that colour doesn't show very well. I'll go with red. B is equal to, well, the base there is 2. The base there is 2. But what's the height, the other lines? Okay, so we have to work that out. We've got 7 up the side, but this section is 2, and this section is 2 as well. So we take away the 2 there and the 2 there. That leaves us with 3. So B is 3 times 2, which is 6. I have to sum that together. Okay, so the sum of all of that would be 21 add 21 is 42, add 6 is 48. And that's meters squared, because it's an area. Okay, now we've done all of this working in order to find the area of the cross section. All we've done so far is find this bit. Now we need to times it by the height. And we can see in the question, the height is 5. So, in order to calculate the answer, I'm going to say that V equals 48 times 5, and 48 times 5 is 240, so we've got 240 meters cubed. Cubed because that's a volume. Okay, good luck on the rest of the work, and don't forget to ask me if you need help.